Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and whichever time you're watching this, welcome to SSC, Sikkim Static and Current, one place for everything about Sikkim. In this video, we're going to discuss MCQs on old land laws of Sikkim, which is the part 2 of this land laws series. Today, we shall discuss Sikkim State Rules Registration of Document 1930. Okay, MCQs will be based on this topic. We had already done part 1 of this land laws series, in which we had discussed revenue order number 1 and questions from few other notification and one previous year question from paper 2 of revenue surveyor 2017 as well. So in this video we shall be holding our discussion up to Sikkim State Rules registration of document 1930. We have 10 MCQs to discuss. If you want to see this video, I'll paste the link in the description box. You can see the part 1 first and then come to this part 2. So let us proceed. So we have total of 10 MCQs, and the reference of this session would be as our previous video, old laws of Sikkim on land records, and this is a compilation by Diluk Mari Pradhan. You will get it in the market. So let us proceed. So but before moving forward, if you have not subscribed to SSC Sikkim, please subscribe गरिदिनुहोस् किनकि सिक्किम स्पेसिफिक च्यानल हो. यदि तपाईले सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु भएन भने कसले गरिदिने है. Have you subscribed? So let us proceed. The first MCQ. As per the Sikkim State Rules registration of document 1930, the head registry office of Sikkim shall be at which place? So this is a pretty clear question. The correct answer to this question is Gangtok. As you can see from this snippet, the head registry office in Sikkim shall be at Gangtok, and the registering office at the head office shall be known as Registrar. The registration work at the head office shall be under the direct control of His Highness Maharaja of Sikkim, and the sub offices of the registry of deeds have been established at the following places in Sikkim. You can see the places here. Okay, so the registering officers in all these places apart from Gangtok, they shall be known as sub registrars. So I hope this is clear. Let's proceed to the next question. As per the Sikkim State Rules registration of documents 1930, how many district books were required to be kept in every registration office? How many district books? The correct answer to this question is 4 district books. So as you can see, 4 district books shall be kept in every registration office. Here you can see book number 1, register of absolute transfer of property. Book 2, register of the other transfer of immovable property, that is mortgage, etc. Book 3, register of decrees and order of courts and award of arbitrators, and book number 4, general register. So these 4 books needed to be kept. So I hope this is clear. Next, as per the Sikkim State Rules registration of document 1930, 2 additional books along with the 4 district book were required to be kept by which registration office? We just saw that this registration office needed to keep this 4 books, right? But then there is one registration office in which apart from these 4 books, 2 more books or the 2 additional books were required to be kept. And which registration office is it? It is obvious to us that it is Gangtok. And which are the 2 additional books which were required to be kept? They are register of deposit of wills and instruments adopting a son after death, and register of wills and instruments adopting a son after death. Okay, so this is it. Next question. An abstract of every document affecting immovable property registered in the head office of Gangtok with an endorsement showing the date on which it was registered was required to be forwarded within how many days from the date of registration to the Elakhadars? So let us say that the registration has been done, okay, and then the registration will be done at the head office in Gangtok, and the question is asking it an abstract of every document, that is a copy of the document needed to be sent from head office Gangtok to the Elakhadar, and this should be forwarded within how many days? Then the correct answer to this question is 7 days. Okay, you can pause the video and read this. Next question. As per the Sikkim State Rules 1930, all instruments required to be registered except a will shall be produced within how many months from the date of execution thereof? The correct answer to this question is 4 months. So as you can see here, the all the instruments required to be registered excepting a will shall be produced within 4 months from the date of execution thereof. But there is an exception, okay. But if any instrument owing to unavoidable delay has not been presented within the time prescribed, then it would be lawful for the registrar in cases where the delay in presentation has not exceeded 6 months. So it should not exceed 6 months. In exceptional cases where the due to unavoidable situation there has been delay, but not should not exceed 6 months, okay. So this is clear. Next question. As per the Sikkim State Rules 1930, documents other than wills remaining unclaimed in any registration office for a period of how many years may get destroyed. So if somebody does not claim any document other than wills for a certain number of years, then the documents will be destroyed. So the question is for how many years, okay. The correct answer to this question is 3 years. If somebody does not claim any document for 3 years, then the office have the right to destroy it, okay. Next. As per the Sikkim State Rules 1930 again, in which month of each year the records of the previous year shall be transferred from sub-registering offices to the registrar's office? The correct answer to this question is January. And what are the details that are transferred? You can see here. Next. As per the Sikkim State Rules 1930, all endorsement made in the document by the registering offices shall be made with, the correct answer is red ink. Okay. Next. As per the Sikkim State Rules 1930, seal covers containing wills deposited with a registrar shall be examined like in what duration? The correct answer to this question is it must be examined monthly, and the condition on such examination shall be noted. And the last question is the register book number 1, 2, 3 and 4 shall have how many margins? The correct answer to this question is they shall have 2 margin. As you can see on the left hand margin, there shall be copied in red ink the value of the stamp on is document registered, the certificate of admissibility in receipt thereof, and all the endorsement relating thereto made in the office. In the center, the document itself shall be copied in black ink, and in the right hand margin there shall be left vacant for notes, okay. So there must be two margins, okay, two margins, which means there will be 3 columns, so remember it. So with this we complete this session. If you want the further parts of this session, I want at least 500 likes on this video, and then only I will upload the further parts of this session. So I hope the session was fruitful. If you want the PDF of this session, then it's an extreme delight to announce that the PDF of each individual session will cost only rupees 10 apart from the marathon session. So PDF at only rupees 10. So this PDF will cost you 10 rupees. First of all, to get this PDF, you need to click on the link in the description. There's a link in the description. Pay rupees 10 via any payment method, and after payment just wait for the little for the Google Drive link to open automatically, in which the PDF will open. Do not press the back button and save the PDF in your device, else the PDF will be lost. So in this way you can get this PDF, and also you get this PDF along with rupees 400 bundle covering the PDF of all the sessions in SSC Sikkim. Okay, you can avail 400 rupees bundle as well. For that you need to WhatsApp on the given number below the screen. So